The production of wax in the ear is a completely natural process, since it has the role to keep the inside of the ear from the entry of bacteria, dirt and dust. Yet, many people consider it to be dirt and unnecessary grease, so they remove it regularly. However, the process of cleaning the ear of the wax gives reverse effects, since the cotton swabs, which are most often used, only push the bacteria deeper into the interior of the ear. On the other hand, what you probably didn't know is that the excess wax in fact is removing by itself. At times, due to some reason, this removal does not happen, which leads to unpleasant symptoms, like pain in the ear, sinus problems, headaches, impaired hearing and in some cases, dizziness. Fortunately, a doctor came up with a natural solution. Namely, Dr. David Hill claims that a small amount of vinegar and alcohol could be very helpful. All you need to do is to drop this mixture in the ear, and to keep the head in the supine position for 60 seconds. Then, lift up the head and allow it to drain. Undoubtedly, this remedy will do wonders for you. You will successfully clean your ears, and you will avoid any unpleasant consequences.